What's up, guys? Today got an unboxing today, and it's a pretty big one. It's a pair of desktop speakers. It's called the Edifier Prisma Encore speakers, and they're really good speakers. We'll get to the unboxing, and also if you realized, I'm back with the new setup. Kind of, it's with me in front of the camera instead of behind the camera. Thumbs up if you like this setup more, and let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, it's a pretty big box, and yeah, we'll be getting right to it. This is the shipping box, and you guys probably can't see it yet. I'm about to take it out of the shipping box, but one thing first. It's also about 1 o'clock in the morning right now, so I'm not going to be able to test them out. I just really wanted to unbox them, but I am going to do a test, but it's going to be this video, but it's going to be tomorrow. Out of the way. And here it is. So, it's Edifier speakers. Looks like really nice packaging. It's the Prisma Encore, so they're Bluetooth and everything. I'll get right into that. Unboxing knife. Go ahead and put this up a bit. Yeah, that's good. Never cut towards yourself. Alright. Put that away. And that's my mic. Sorry for any audio that kind of messed up there. Alright. Alright, so you're greeted with this. It is the limited warranty, so I think you get about 2 years or something. Keep that, pretty important. RC cable, so although it's wireless with your mobile device or desktop, you still gotta plug them in to get power, obviously. That was pretty loud. It comes with an aux cable, which is nice. So you have the option of wired or wireless. Then the RCA thing. Yeah, so these two go to the speakers. This goes to the subwoofer. Manuals, which we will not need. Okay, power and AC supply. I'm not gonna open these right now because it gets really loud. And okay, thank you Edifier for including this, and I'm going to show you guys right now what it is. Thank you Edifier. Wow. Microfiber cloth. Thank you. I don't see that coming with a lot of products, but give Edifier a thumbs up for that one. This is the remote control. So there's no wired like pod or anything, so no wires except for the ones that go to the speaker and you plug in. So basic thing. So you got power, power, volume down, volume up, and Bluetooth connection. I don't know if you guys can see that. I kind of wish they went white on white here, but this is good. This comes with the battery. Put that right there. And now, let's take a look at the speakers. Oh my god. Whoa, okay guys, these are bigger than I thought. Give you a nice look as they are inside the box. Alright. So these kind of look like alien futuristic tech, and yeah, I agree. Oh, there's more wires, so I'm not sure what that's for, or what the other wires are for, because these ones are like built in. Alright, so there it is. Take the plastic off, I guess. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get rid of the box. Back, and so these are the speakers. This is the futuristic alien subwoofer. If you must, it's pretty light. I really like the aerodynamics of it. It's got some onboard controls as well, and so in case you don't have the remote. And then on the bottom, you got this, and you can kind of see it's concaved, so you'll get better bass with this. And I'm still not sure what these are for. Oh, okay, Edifier, good thing you include these. This is for the RC to aux, and so this is actually like really important for like older home theater systems. So this big home theater system right here actually uses this, and it's a pretty big pain because they're pretty hard to find. I don't think you have to use these. Use this cord with those, but I'm pretty glad they included it. Anyways, alright, so just take a nice quick look right here. So these actually are pretty bigger than I thought, and I got the white ones. These were like almost, I found like 2 white speakers on Best Buy, and I needed the nice white to go with my desk setup in the back, which I'm going to be upgrading, kind of. I'm gonna be putting new stuff and everything in there. This is it, white on white. There's also a black version, but didn't want to get black. But I'm just really into this subwoofer, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I guess I'll be right back. And we are going to test out the Edifier speakers now. It is morning, so it's the 7th now, 12:55. But yeah, I just had to knock out because it was like way too much wires that I had to deal with, and I just said I'll do it tomorrow when I wake up. But yeah, as you can see, there's no wires on the speakers. I mean, the subwoofer is like the heart and soul of the speaker, and yeah, you can see some wires running up. But other than that, you don't really see anything else. And you can't see any wires going to the speakers thanks to Alex, what's it called? Oh, cable control? No, not cable control, cable organizer. Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick look of what the whole setup looks like. And then kind of notice that this subwoofer looks a lot like a stormtrooper helmet. You guys can see. So yeah, I think it looks pretty nice with the white and the gray. It kind of matches the chair. But we're gonna go ahead and connect to these. So got the remote here. Boom, green light. Put it to Bluetooth mode. Blue light. See, are we connected? Yep, we're connected. Alright. So let's go ahead and put on Edifier. YouTube. And by the way, these get like really loud. Like this is even close to how loud it gets. Full volume on the phone. But now watch. And I'm pretty sure that's not even the loudest it gets, guys. I mean, these get like super loud. Show you the bass under there. You guys can't really see it, but straighten that out. Yeah, they have like really nice sound, and they have their own volume line. So you have the iPhone's volume, and then you have the remote volume. I don't know if I like that much. I just wish that they put some volume indicators for their own volume. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to explain though, but and it's really like the sound is even. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Yeah, but the sound is nice and even. Still not turning down. Alright, so as I was saying, the sound is even and everything. I really like these speakers. I'm going to play around with them more and then give you guys a nice review. But my first initial thoughts is that they look nice. They're really nice looking. I mean, they're minimalistic. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Be sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for other videos.